Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Today we are going to see the summary of Course Book Chapter 12, The One That Got Away. The One That Got Away by Jane Mark is a children's short story. Jane Mark was a British writer of children's books. This story talks about children's innocent pranks and how imagination can make anything interesting. Prank means play a trick on someone. It should not be aimed at making fun of anyone or hurting people's sentiments. Children, do you remember any time that you have played an innocent prank in front of others? In this story, you are going to see a little boy named Malcolm who played an innocent trick to save face in front of the class. The main characters of this story are Malcolm, Mrs. Cooper, and Malcolm's classmates. Mrs. Cooper, their teacher, asked all the children in class 4 to bring something interesting to class the following day. They have to explain about it before the class also. Everyone has something in mind, but Malcolm, who struggles to find something that can interest the whole class. All the others had gerbils. Gerbils means mouse-like creature, rare shells, fossils. Fossils means any remains or traces of a living thing that is millions of years old, and other things to show, but Malcolm had nothing. He had brought his favorite stone the last time, but nobody saw anything special in it. He went through his things at home but could not find anything. When his turn came the next day, Malcolm held a matchbox in his hand. He then opened it upside down and jumped. Mrs. Cooper too jumped, and when asked, Malcolm said that what had dropped out had 6 legs, sharp knees, and frilly gingered eyebrows on stalks. Mrs. Cooper and all the children are terrified and started jumping and squeaking. Malcolm keeps pointing out different places, saying it is there, but misses catching it each time. As the entire class is turned upside down, trying to catch the imaginary bug. Bug means a small insect. Malcolm looked at his matchbox and happy to note that his had been the most interesting item of all. So he only wished he had known what the bug he had imagined was. So here you can see how Malcolm's imagination can make anything interesting, and his contribution was definitely the most interesting that morning, although he himself had not seen it. Actually, there was nothing in the matchbox, but everybody was panicked because they thought that some strange creature was running about from the matchbox. It was his imagination only, but it creates a lot of interesting things happen in their class. So this was the innocent trick played by Malcolm to save his face in front of the class. It should not have affected anybody else, or it should not be aimed at making fun of anyone. So children, remember that we should never hurt anybody with our pranks. That it should not be aimed to make fun of others or hurt anybody's feelings. Hope you all enjoyed the story. So, what do you understand from the characters of the story? Mrs. Cooper is a very encouraging and kind teacher. When Malcolm had brought his favorite stone, she had encouraged him, saying that it was very nice effort. Then Malcolm is a curious and imaginative child who gets fascinated by the most common things. Unfortunately, he is unable to communicate what he finds interesting about those things. He is very creative and manages to get the entire class engaged in imagining bug that is not there at all. And you can see the whole class join in the shrieking and screaming. So it was one of the interesting class. And Malcolm was very happy because his contribution was definitely the most interesting thing that anyone had seen that morning. Children, read this chapter and learn word meanings. Also, complete your work. Next week, we continue the same book. Have a nice day. Thank you.